Assalamualaikum and hello ice cream lovers. So in this episode for the year end of 2023, we want to make cranberry cinnamon cheese ice cream, which is sugar free and no machine. So let's get started with all the ingredients that we going to need. Here are sugar free non-dairy whipping cream, and we got cinnamon, we got inulin cream cheese, and of course cranberry. So we begin with inulin and whip with the cream cheese. Cream cheese we are going to need about 150 gram and about just 2 tablespoons of inulin sweetener. And of course, we use dried cranberry. If you have a fresh cranberry, that would be so nice. But we only have a dried cranberry, so we use about a quarter cup to half cup of dried cranberry, and we are going to whip this with the cream cheese and inulin. And don't forget, we'll also put some cinnamon powder. In a different bowl, we are going to whip the 500 ml of sugar-free whipping cream. We whip until it's rise double. After the whipped cream has finally rise double, then we are going to add in milk, which is preferably almond milk. Maybe I forgot to mention it earlier. So we are going to add some 200 to 300 ml of almond milk, or if you have no problem with dairy base, so you can always use the full cream or low fat milk. Now it's time that we combine it together. So the whipping cream, milk, and the cream cheese cranberry mixture, I'm going to mix it well. If you feel that your cranberry is not enough, then just go ahead and add some more. Transfer this into the container and freeze overnight, or at least 6 hours. However, I just want to freeze it about 1 or 2 hours because I want to make this cranberry jam and add some more into the ice cream, and it will be so lovely. Since this is going to be sugar-free ice cream, so we are going to add another inulin sugar into this cranberry jam. About tablespoon of cornstarch and one squeeze of lemon. Stir and cook at low heat until everything is combined, and there will be no more cornstarch. The cornstarch is used to thicken this cranberry jam. You may need to add just about 1 teaspoon of water to make this jam moist. Finally, add this cranberry jam to swirl into the ice cream. Not to forget our cinnamon powder. And this time we will freeze it for overnight.